PO switches simplify security camera installation by delivering power and data through one cable, reducing cost, clutter, and maintenance complexity. My today's video is about top 5 best PO switch that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at TP-Link PO switch. This 5-port gigabit PO switch is a compact yet powerful networking solution designed for modern surveillance and small office setups. With 4 PO plus ports supporting 10/100/1000 Mbps speeds and up to 30 W per port, it efficiently powers devices like IP cameras, access points, and VoIP phones while delivering stable high-speed data. The total 65 W PO budget ensures balanced performance across multiple devices, while the additional non-PE gigabit port allows flexible high-bandwidth uplink connectivity. Its plug-and-play design eliminates complex setup, making it ideal for both beginners and professionals. Advanced features like 802.1p/DSCP QoS and IGMP snooping optimized traffic flow for smooth video and voice transmission. Built with a sturdy metal housing, it supports desktop or wall mounting for versatile installation. The fanless design ensures silent operation, and IEEE 802.3x flow control enhances reliability. Backed by a 3-year warranty and technical support, it offers dependable long-term performance for secure, efficient networking environments. Now our second product is Ugreen PO switch. Wireless access points across your network. The Ugreen 8-port PO plus gigabit switch is a robust and intelligent networking solution built for security systems, offices, and extended network deployments. Featuring 8 PO plus ports delivering up to 30 W each and 2 gigabit uplink ports, it ensures efficient power and high-speed data transmission with a 60 W total power budget. Its smart power management system prioritizes ports automatically, preventing overload by shutting lower priority ports when necessary, while independently protecting short-circuited ones. The PO Auto Recovery feature enhances reliability by restarting unresponsive devices in extend mode, reducing manual intervention. With one-touch switching between standard, VLAN-based port isolation and extend mode, it offers flexible network control, while extend mode enables PO transmission up to 820 feet for large-scale installations. Supporting 1,000 megabits per second speeds, it delivers smooth, low-latency performance for IP cameras, VoIP phones, and access points. Our third product is Netgear PO switch. This 8-port gigabit PO plus switch is a practical and efficient networking solution designed for small to medium business or surveillance setups. With 8 high-speed gigabit Ethernet ports and full PO plus support across all ports, it delivers both power and data through a single cable, simplifying installation for IP cameras, access points, and VoIP devices. The 62 W total power budget is well-balanced for moderate deployments, ensuring stable performance across connected devices. Its easy smart managed essential software provides a user-friendly interface for basic network configuration, monitoring, and security, making it suitable even for users without advanced IT expertise. Flexible installation options allow it to be placed on a desktop or mounted on a wall, adapting easily to different environments. Combined with its solid build quality and industry-leading 3-year limited hardware warranty, this switch offers dependable performance, efficient management, and long-term reliability for streamlined network expansion. Now number 4, GoLake PO switch. The GoLake 5-port easy-managed PO plus switch is a compact yet capable networking solution designed for efficient small-scale deployments. Featuring 4 PO ports, 2 gigabit and 2 fast Ethernet, plus a gigabit uplink, it supports IEEE 802.3 its standards and delivers up to 30 W per port with a total 52 W PO budget, making it suitable for IP cameras and wireless access points. Its single cable design simplifies installation by combining power and data transmission, reducing clutter and setup complexity. The Easy Smart Management System allows users to configure and monitor the network via app or web interface, offering flexible remote control and improved visibility. With plug-and-play convenience, It reduces installation time while still providing managed capabilities. Wall mount or desktop placement adds versatility for different environments. Extended PO transmission support up to 250 meters enhances deployment flexibility. And our last choice is SteamMO PO switch. The SteamMO 8-port managed gigabit PO Plus switch is a high-performance networking hub designed for demanding home, office, and small business environments. With 8 gigabit PO Plus ports delivering up to 30W each and a robust 120W total power budget, it efficiently supports IP cameras, smart systems, and IoT devices with stable power and high-speed data transmission. Its intelligent management system offers web, desktop, and mobile control, enabling real-time monitoring, QoS prioritization, VLAN configuration, and advanced security features like DHCP snooping and port isolation. Enterprise-grade functions such as bandwidth control, storm protection, and MAC filtering ensure smooth, secure, and low-latency performance for streaming, gaming, and business operations. Built with a durable, fanless design, it ensures silent operation and long-term reliability while maintaining effective heat dissipation. Dual-mode flexibility allows easy switching between managed and unmanaged setups, simplifying deployment. With strong protection features and reliable warranty support, it delivers a powerful, scalable, and secure PO networking solution. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.